Are you concerned about how your SERP rankings are performing in the truck or car accident lawyers industry? If so, you're not alone. SEO campaigns can have a big impact on how your website appears on search results pages, SERPs, and it's important to monitor your rankings regularly to make sure that you're reaching your target audience. In this article, we'll show you how to determine whether your SEO campaign is working and what you can do to improve your rankings. I got SERP variations during an SEO campaign on the Brazilian internet for truck accident attorneys in Portuguese. I decided to write about it because it is so high. Read blog of SEO Hobby Expert on https://backlink.seohobby.expert for more news from SERP and SEO world. If you are an online business in Brazil, you know that SERP variations are a big deal. And if you are running an SEO campaign on the Brazilian internet, you need to pay extra attention to your SERP rankings. In this post, we will show you how to check your rankings with a rank checker tool, and we will highlight some of the most common SERP variations that business owners should watch out for. So watch on and learn how to stay ahead of the competition. Before you watch more, you need to know 3 things. 1. What SERP stands for. 2. What is a SERP score? 3. What is the difference between SERP and SEO? Search for new article about truck accident lawyers and car insurance for truck driver in Brazil on web application truckercheckin.com. This SEO video can be titled in different ways. I thought of titling this SEO video this way. 1. How to check your SERP rankings regularly. 2. How changing your website structure can affect your rankings. 3. How to check your website's ranking in Google search. 4. 5 websites to check for truck accident lawyer rankings. 5. Monitoring and optimization tips for your truck accident lawyer website. 6. How to check your site's rankings for truck accident lawyers. 7. Troubleshooting common SEO problems and how to fix them. 8. How to optimize your website for higher rankings in the truck accident lawyers industry. 9. How to change your SERP rankings for truck accident lawyers. 10. 5 ways to check your website's rankings without leaving your desk. 11. 5 go-to tips for optimizing your website for better rankings. 12. How to understand and correct your website's ranking in the truck accident lawyers industry. 13. How to check your SERP rankings for truck accident lawyers. The SEO campaign I'm writing about is about truck accident lawyers in the Portuguese language. My goal is to show how SERP variabilities can affect your SEO campaign and how you can overcome them. I will be sharing my thoughts on the matter, as well as some tips on how to improve your SEO campaign. Your guide to SERP variations during an SEO campaign on the Brazilian internet for truck accident attorneys in Portuguese. There's no doubt that SERP variations play an important role in the overall success of any online campaign. And regarding driving traffic to your website for truck accident attorneys in Portuguese, variations are especially important. In this article, we'll walk you through the basics of how SERP variations work, and explain why they're so important for your Brazilian truck accident attorney website. From June 14, 2022 to June 22, 2022, I added a link to the track website about truck accident lawyer Advogado de Acidente de Caminhão in the Brazilian search engine. Between the start of the SEO campaign and the final snapshot, positions on search engine result pages increased from 88 to 34.as result. The website was positioned above all other websites in the keyword truck accident lawyer on the Brazilian internet during this period. The success of the SEO campaign can be attributed to 2 factors. Firstly, taking advantage of white hat SEO techniques, and secondly, engaging with potential clients through optimized SEO images. The location of the website, a place in law in the transport industry, changed 8 times within a period of 8 days. The SERP's lowest possibility was at 4 spots, while the greatest opportunity was at 34 spots, an increase of 68 slots to 34 slots. A test of rank tracking and how a new picture may boost the SERP position without including keywords as part of the picture tag was conducted with the SEO project Advogado de Acidente de Caminho on SERP. To improve the position of your website within the SERP for a particular keyword or query, you may want to add images inside the existing article. Each SERP has something that I call a global stats trend, which is essentially the average position of your website for that specific keyword or query. By understanding and taking advantage of these global stats trends, you can help boost the position of your website for specific keywords or queries without including keywords within the image tag. Adding images inside the existing article can improve position inside the SERP for particular keywords or queries. Each SERP has something that I call a global stats trend that consists of words count, title tag count, keywords density, amount of images. The finest illustration that an SEO consultant or even an SEO graphics specialist can enhance SEO is shown above. OCR software can recognize shapes correlated with the user query, which is why the picture that was pasted into the existing article was topic related. Creating an SEO picture, a SEO image, or SEO screenshot might be more valuable than a few paragraphs of keyword-rich text if OCR can classify the user intent, not just the search query entity. What is the user intent that scrolls the search engine result page for keywords truck accident lawyer? It might be interesting to truck drivers who have observed a vehicle accident on the highway, but were not engaged in it from a survivor's perspective. For a truck driver who has been in a car, motorcycle, or pedestrian accident, user intent may be financial. As a result, most SEO picture creators do not put a price tag on their work. User intent in a transactional concept can be done without a price tag in the image or picture. The next step for SEO specialists in improving their rankings on the SERP page for truck accident attorneys is alt tag optimization. The alt tag and semantic related queries should be topic related for each description. That is a good white hat technique. Link that got description increase the accessibility of the whole web page. Another good white hat technique is to create an XML image sitemap for your website. This will help search engines index your pages more effectively, and it will also help visitors navigate your site more easily. Another good white hat technique is to use keyword-rich titles and descriptions for your website pages. This will help improve your site's search engine rankings and help visitors find the information they're looking for more easily. Finally, another good white hat technique is to create fresh, original content for your website on a regular basis. This will not only help keep your site's visitors coming back for more, but it will also help attract new visitors and improve your site's search engine rankings. SEO images are an essential part of the whole website optimization process and may be used in micro SEO techniques. In rank tracking, it's simple to monitor a website that is presently ranked in the top 200. You may put one SEO picture into the body tag and monitor if it improves SERP value whenever your site falls in ranking. You may add one more picture with an alt description to attempt to rank higher if your website position does not improve. To improve SERP position for a particular search term or query, it is important to understand how Google's ranking algorithm works. Every time someone clicks on a link on your website, Google records their action and assigns a rank to that page. If you want your page to rank better for a particular keyword or search query, you need to add relevant images to the existing article. By adding images to your content, you can improve the position of your pages in the SERP for that keyword or search query. Are there only certain pages or content that are good candidates for SEO images? Original unique SEO images. According to SEO Hobby Expert, created and published original pictures are greater than replicated pictures, indicating that if you produce and distribute one, you may rank higher in the SERP. SEO image can be used as a CTA, call to action, is one of the SEO metrics of the customer journey. Position number 1 in Accident Lawyers got many backlinks that point to the URL, but if want to outrank any competitors, you need SEO images. For that reason, I try to use link shortener from pxl.to, and I have created 9 backlinks SEO video for SEO campaign. I create one video using SEO Hobby Expert text to video services. I put few backlinks from video description to check how backlinks from YouTube can increase website position in SERP. After creating the video, I found that backlinks from YouTube did help to improve the website's position in SERP. Conclusion: creating original SEO images for your website is a great way to improve your ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. According to a study conducted by SEO Hobby Expert, original images are more likely to rank higher in SERPs than imitation images. This means that if you create and distribute original images, you have a better chance of ranking higher in search engines. Creating high-quality SEO images is a great way to improve your website's ranking and stay ahead of your competitors. Our team can help you create original, high-quality SEO images that will help you rank higher in search engine results pages. From the blog expert, creating original pictures is one of the best ways to rank higher in search engines. If you want to outrank your competitors, you need to create high-quality SEO images. Our team can help you do just that.